All right, fifth graders, today I'm going to talk about converting metric units of length. We're going to go from kilometers to meters to centimeters to millimeters. This is the same type of conversions as like inches, feet, yards, all that good stuff. So we're going to take a look. Yes, my room looks the same, guys. I still don't have the winners up yet. Sorry, I'll get there. But nothing's changed. It's just you're not here. But I have a meter stick right here. And I want you to pay attention. These little tiny lines are millimeters. The numbers are centimeters. And then the whole stick, is a meter stick. Okay, so there's 100 centimeters in a meter. And we are going to get started with going over these because I have realized that you guys actually kind of like my videos based on what I've been told from yesterday. And if you don't like them, then just mute them and you don't have to hear me. But okay, so here's the order in which they go. Millimeters is smallest, and then centimeter, meter, and kilometer. All right, so here are the conversions that you just sort of have to memorize. There's 1,000 meters in a kilometer. And a kilometer is like if you go from the football field to just past the elementary building in town. Okay, so that's a kilometer. So it's smaller than a mile. And if you've ever run a 5K, that's 3.1 miles. So think about that, like 5 kilometers equals 3 miles, just a little over 3 miles. And then there's 100 centimeters in a meter. There are 10 millimeters in a centimeter. And then there's 1,000 millimeters in a meter. So those are just things you just kind of need to memorize, except for like, it's kind of awesome that they all end in a bunch of zeros, because then you can just think back to these gorgeous arrows that I have in my room, and we're just moving the decimal, guys. All right, so let's keep going. Oh, next slide. Oh, shoot. Nope, come on. There we go. All right, so abbreviations, these are, I'm assuming you guys already know these. We got KM for kilometer, we have M for meter, we have CM for centimeter, and MM for millimeter. All right, I assume you got that one already though. Okay, so we're just gonna do a couple of these, and then I have a story problem actually to go over today. So same situation applies. Centimeters are smaller than meters, and there are, goodness, 100 centimeters, right? So we're dividing. Yeah, there's 100. So you get rid of that, and you're left with 10 meters. I hope I did that right. Feels wrong, but I think it's right. All right, the next one, let's go to a different color. Switch it up. Meters are big, so we're gonna multiply. And there are 1,000 millimeters in a meter, so you're gonna multiply by 1,000. And when you multiply by a number, you're just adding some zeros, so 58,000. Millimeters are small, so we're going to dividing, and there are only 10 millimeters in a centimeter, so we're just getting rid of 1 0. 8,000, so 8,000. And then kilometers are big, so you're going to multiply. There's 1,000, so it's going to be 75,000. All right, beautiful. I think the next one's a story problem. Okay, so you have a new pencil. Oh goodness. Okay, so a new pencil was 18 centimeters long. Now it measures 12 and 7/10 centimeters. Ooh, how many centimeters of the pencil have been used? How many centimeters of the pencil have been used? So you would obviously subtract 18 minus 12 and 7/10, and you have to add that 0, and we're not allowed, oh goodness, I don't even know if I was videoing, sorry. 5 and 3/10 centimeters is your answer. Well, that was way easier than it should have been. All right, let's see what else we've got here. Okay, these conversions, remember, you're just gonna turn them both into the same thing to make life easy for yourself. Let's do this bottom one. Here we go. Meters are big. I like to multiply, so I always go to the big side. So meters and centimeters, so you have 100, right? Multiply by 100, you're gonna get 3,000 here. This side is way bigger. All right, and then that top one, I still like to multiply more, so I go to kilometer side. There are 1,000 meters in a kilometer, so this is gonna be, 20,000, which makes this side way bigger. Okay. Ooh, that's a fun one. Oop, you can't even see it. There you go. See if you can figure that one out. That'll be fun. I can post the answer in the comments. And then my biggest thing is, like, what do you want to see on these videos? Do you want me to go over homework? Do you want me to go over story problems, random problems? Do you have a question on a specific homework problem? You tell me what you want to do. I'm going to put a Google form out tomorrow, and then you tell me what you want. If you're cool and I'm doing fine with my videos, or you're like, I don't even watch them, we're good, let me know that no matter what. So just be honest in my next Google form so that I know how you're feeling, all right? Have a good day. Bye.